Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon and good evening depending upon your time zone. My name is Mohammed Azim and welcome to ReadyForex.com London Forex trading session. Sorry about the delay. I was looking to do this session few hours earlier, but today I got a bit late. Students, anyways, let's get started. I use trade to I use Elliot Wave analysis to trade and forecast the market. And if you are interested to make money in forex trading, then you can also use Elliot Wave. And for those who are interested to learn, just check out the website. There are different ways to communicate with me, talk with me. Okay, let's get started. First thing first. Okay. I hope you guys could easily manage to see my computer screen over here. This is the Euro USD currency pair daily time frame. Okay. Okay. Let's get started. So this is the daily time frame of Euro dollar currency pair. Right now Euro dollar is trying to go sideways. I expect a drop in price action and then market is probably going to print a new high. Now I do have a second Elliott wave count as well, which suggests that price action is going to drop from current levels, and we have already seen a top inside euro dollar currency pair. This is the second wave count. So we could safely say that if price action breaks below a support level, let me tell you the exact level, that what level I'm talking about. So the price level is 1.4407. Okay, let me write down over here. One point double four 1.1440. Okay, this is the level right over here, and if price action is going to break below this area 1.1440 level, then obviously the uptrend is over, it's done. Now in 4-hour time, when we did this pullback over here, markets still have some room to cover to reach this lower trend channel or somewhere near to it. Now the other wave count suggests that we have already seen a bottom at 1.1628 level, and market is now going to rise up from current levels. However, if you check out the 1-hour time frame, price action just keep moving inside this bearish trend channel over here. Let me adjust this trend line. Okay, so this is telling me that we probably have some kind of a triangle pattern going on, and these things usually break to the downside. Okay. Okay, just got a message. Okay, next go over to a 15 minutes time frame. So the way I see, we got this probably wave A over here, wave B, wave C, and wave D over here. Okay, one second, give me a second. Okay, let's continue. Let me check out if everything is fine. Screen looks okay. Okay, so Euro USD, this seems to me we're getting some kind of a triangle formation. It's possible that market is going to rise up first and then it's going to, drop. This is also possible over here. Okay. Next one is the US dollar index right over here. The US dollar index, maybe we have already seen a bottom, or maybe market wants to rise up more a little bit. So as far as the corrective price action is concerned, we got a clear bullish breakout above 97.34 level. So the way I see market is probably going to rise up even further. However, some sort of a pullback is going to appear first, and then market is going to rise up different levels. Okay. Next, go over to the GBPUSD currency pair. So over here we got the close below 1.3600 level. So I think this confirms my view about the British pound versus US dollar pair, and this also means that market wants to drop further. So we got the pullback over here, and these things usually break to the downside. What I mean by that is if you draw a trend channel over here, something like this. Okay, go over here and then draw another channel. So these things usually break to the downside. So we will see how it goes. Overall, the forecast is bearish for the euro dollar as well as the GBPUSD currency pair. Next one is the Aussie dollar currency pair. We got this top, I think, and market is probably going to start the decline. I do have another Elliott wave count which suggests that this whole thing is probably some kind of a triangle formation. If that is the case, I still expect a drop in price action of Aussie dollar currency pair. Okay, go over to a 1 hour time frame. Right now you see price action just keep testing 0.6542 level. Let me write it down this level so it becomes easy for you guys to watch it. Okay, here. Okay, I hope this is clear. 0.6542. So as long as price action is staying below 0.6542 level, my forecast is bearish for the Aussie dollar currency pair. Next one is the NZDUSD currency pair. It seems to me we have seen a top and market doesn't want to go up. Okay, it's quite possible that price action is now going to move sideways. We might get a little bit pullback, but overall the forecast is bearish. Probably an A, B and C zigzag corrective Elliott wave pattern. This is what we are probably going to get it. In 4 hour time frame, we're getting a sideways price action. I expect a short term pullback, and then market is probably going to break even lower inside NZD-USD currency pair. Okay, next one is the US dollar Swiss franc. USDCHF currency pair, we got a little bit pullback type scenario over here, and I think market is going to drop after that. I have put up a question mark over here. Maybe the wave number 5 looks complete, maybe it's not complete. If you check out the 4 hour time frame, market needs to break above 0.7993 level. If it breaks higher, then obviously the wave number 5 looks complete. Okay, it's a confirmation. If we do not get a bullish breakout above 0.7993 level inside US dollar Swiss franc 4 hour time frame, then wave 5 is going to happen soon, meaning expect further weakness in price action of US dollar Swiss franc currency pair. Next one is the 1 hour time. over here. So far price action just finding support over here, but the way market is behaving, sooner or later I think we're going to get a drop in price action of US dollar Swiss franc currency pair, which means market is going to drop. Okay, so I do expect some kind of a pullback scenario over here. Now, for those who do not have a day trading method, just check the website. There are different day trading strategies that I teach online: sideways trading strategies, trend following trading strategies. Okay. Next one is the spot gold. Spot gold, like I've suggested earlier, spot gold is most likely going to drop. Okay. And the way I see, if you take a look at 4-hour time frame, we keep getting this pullback scenario over here. We got the pullback, then a new low. So the way I see, as long as price action is holding the support at 3247.38 area, we can say with high confidence that spot gold is going to rise up a little bit more. One of my students asked me earlier today that, what do I expect regarding the spot silver and spot gold. Well, usually the silver and the spot silver and the spot gold, they usually move in one direction, not, but it doesn't always go that way. Okay, so what I do suggest is to check out the pattern first. Do not just jump into the market just because gold is falling down. So you also look for bearish pattern in spot silver as well. Regarding the spot gold, I do expect a bullish leg first, and then market is probably going to drop after that. So I hope this one is clear. Next one is the USDCAD. US dollar CAD currency pair, weekly time frame, sideways price action going on. Let's go over to a daily chart over here. Same story, sideways price action in CAD. Go over to a 4-hour time frame. This is the yellow color highlighted area. So as long as price action is moving in between this high and low area over here, the low value is 1.3539 and the high value is 1.3796 level. As long as price action is moving inside this yellow color box, then it's a sideways price action going on. Once market break out of this box, the chances are high that we are going to get a bullish breakout. Next one is the US dollar yen currency pair. The way I see, USD yen could break high actually, because if euro dollar is going to drop, then it means the United States dollar is becoming strong, and this also means that expect a bullish leg in price action of USDJPY currency pair. Next one is the 4-hour time frame. Same story. At 100% mark, we got the drop, but the pullback wasn't enough, and then another bullish leg over here. So a breakout is required. Okay, if we do get a bullish breakout above 148.59 level, then this will open the door for the wave C leg, which is going to take us somewhere around 158.99 or 159.06 area, somewhere around this area. Okay. Next one is the 4-hour time frame. So same story, price action, it could fall, but even if we do get a drop, market is going to rise up after that. Okay, looks bullish. Okay, that's pretty much it for today from my side. And if you have any questions or any currency pair or any forecast that you need, feel free to type inside the chat box, and I will be happy to answer your questions. Let's see. Let's go over to the euro dollar chart. Euro dollar is actually trying to go up. Yes. So this is the expectation that euro dollar is probably going to rise up first and it's going to uh, drop. Okay. Okay. Anything else or any questions? If you need a forecast about any trading instrument, just type inside the chat box, and I will check out within the framework of Elliot Wave. Okay. Right now, euro dollar is moving up, and this means yes, the Swiss franc must be going down. Yes, it is. So if the USD Swiss franc is going down, then if you check out the Aussie dollar, expect kind of a little bit bullish scenario. Yes, Aussie is trying to rise up over here, but you see 0.6542, that's the level. Price should not break it. Previously we got a retest over here, that's a failure. So multiple times market hit this level, okay, but so far just going nowhere. Okay. So hopefully things are going to work fine. Okay. Okay, I think that's pretty much it for the time being from my side, and I will try to do the New York market session, or the regular time, which I usually do. So that's it from my side. Have a nice day, and